In this video, I am going to show you guys how you can upload your own game to itch.io and set up all of this. How to make these thumbnails here, how to change the font here, how to put your game file, how to put this banner, background. I will tell you everything. And by the way, follow me on itch.io. So here is the project and we are going to upload this to itch.io. Please don't mind the rain falling behind me. It is actually rainy season, so there is lots of rains. So firstly you need to go file, build settings, then this will open, and definitely don't forget to drag your scene of the game into this menu. I already have done that. And then by default it will be set to PC, Mac and Linux. Do that to WebGL, so click on WebGL and here there will be an option to switch platform, or if you haven't downloaded it there will be an option to download. So download WebGL, then switch platform, and after that you need to go to player settings and dock it right here. And icon, there will be no icon. Then resolution and presentation. Now this is a very important factor. So you have to configure here what is the resolution that you want. Do not put HD resolution in here. Do not put 4K HD resolution in here because it will not fit in your web browser. The resolution that you want to write in here is 1280 by 720. Only then it will fit properly in your web browser, just like this, or it wouldn't. And this will also be the best quality, so remember that. Put here 1280 is to 720 and click on default, no need for minimal. So splash image, you can put your image. If you have a pro version of Unity, the logo will not come. I don't have it. This is the image that I chose to put. So that's splash image. Then you have other settings. You don't need to configure that a lot unless you have a very big game. And publish settings. That's about it. And you have to put your company name and all here. Company name Yash Digital Spaces, product name Asteroid Buster, version 1.0, and you can put default icon, which is none because WebGL, and you can put default cursor. So if you wanted to change your cursor when the game started, but I don't want that, so I haven't put any of that. So after you're done with all that, click on build settings again and build the game. So build, click on build, then it will tell you to choose a folder, select folder, and it will start building. So after that is done, open the folder in which it got built. So open the folder in which it got built, and now I have made a zip file here. If you haven't made a zip file yet, then click on this and this, all of this. Click on these both and this, and right click here, click to send to compressed zip folder. Then it will start making a zip here. After that is done, that zip is done, you can directly upload it to itch.io. So let's see how to upload. So go to itch.io. So come here where it is, click on your profile here, and you can add a new game here. So for that you need to click this small button upload a new project and create it. So I am going to write here asteroid buster, then project URL, it is asteroid buster. I want it okay. This is optional, short description or tagline, you can put it. I won't, it is not actually needed. And what am I uploading? It is games. What kind of project it is? HTML, you have to configure it to be HTML. And then, yep, released. And if you want to, paid, then you can do it here. I don't want any payments. You have to click on upload file and choose your file. It should be under 1 GB. So choose your file. I have chosen this new file that I just created, telling you guys. So it will get uploaded, and then you have to make it to be for Windows. This file will be played in the browser, and then width and height, it is okay, whatever it is. Mobile friendly, no. You can add your description here, your genre here, the tags whichever you want, like it is 2D and shooter and all. You can add all that, and comments and all, you can see that. Then save and view page. So as you can see, it is okay. It doesn't look super good, but it is okay. We are going to change this. So when first time, Unity will just feel like it got stuck here, but no, actually it will start. It takes a little bit of time. And yes, as you can see, our game is properly working, but it is absolute disaster. So let's fix this disaster. So let's go to edit game, and let's input our values in here where it was written width and height 1280 is to 720, and let's hit save and view page again. This should significantly improve it and it will become perfect, just like before. Click on edit theme here. You can choose a background color or a background image. So we'll see about that later. Background image, you can hit upload here. Okay, so I have all the background images and all that I want. You can click on your background image. Just it should be okay, not great something, and you have to repeat both, align, center, yes, all that stuff. And then you have to upload your banner. So this is my banner. It will take some time to upload. Yes, as you can see, it has been uploaded. You can change the font. So font, I want it to be pixel. As you can see, just like it was there. Then you need to add those screenshots, sidebar, and where is that screenshot option? So you need to go to edit game and add screenshots there. So here, yes, add screenshots. Shift click all your screenshots, hit open, add all of them, save your page, go back. Probably we have, yep, sidebar. So yes, as you can see, they have come here and it looks good. So now we have to change this, we have to upload the banner again because I forgot to save while going back. So now we can change the color of this page. So bluish should be okay. Yes, somewhere that looks good. Yep, that looks good. Font color should definitely be white, as white will look very good. And yeah, as you can see, it looks amazing. Let's draft it, save it, view page. Oh, I again forgot to save my changes, so I will quickly do that. And as you can see, our page has been nicely successfully done. So let's just reload it and let's see it again. And as you can see, it is perfectly nicely done. So you can go to edit game and you can even publish it, but I am not going to, as I don't want to have two copies of one game. So you can hit here publish, save and view page, so it will become published. But yeah, I am not going to publish it. So as you can see, we have set up the itch.io page. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and check out my itch.io page. I have currently 2 games. If you like my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. And thank you. Thanks for watching.